What I need to hear now, your sincere apology. When you mean it, I'll believe it. If you text it, I'll delete it. Let's be clear. Oh, I'm not coming back. You're taking 7 steps here. The 7 things I hate about you. You're a pain, you're a game, you're a insecure. You love me, you love her. You make me laugh, you make me cry. So I know which side to fly. Your friends are just with the air like that. This is what we say. I wanna be with the one I know. You make me love you. And compared to all the great things I would take too long to write, I probably can make
That was yours. M61.
Yeah. Pater et Filius et Spiritus.
Backstreet Boys had swine flu this year.
Loser.
Brian.
Loser. Loser.
We had this issue last time with LOL. You were like, LOL? Get it? L. O. L.
Wow. Mom.
Mom. Mom. Mom.